Hello everyone, welcome again to the discussion on the variables. So we have seen scalar variables and the array variables. Now let's take a scenario like we want to save the employee information like its ID and its corresponding name in an array. Okay, so to store two values like ID and name is not possible in a one-dimensional array. So for this purpose, we will use a multi-dimensional array. Okay, the difference between the single dimensional and the multi-dimensional is the declaration part. Okay, the multi-dimensional array can be declared like this. Let's say our array is emp array. Okay, and we want to store the information of 5 employees. Okay, what we want the ID and name. Okay, so it is a two-dimensional array. Okay, so we will store the 5 rows and 2 columns. Okay, we'll define it as 1 because the indexing starts from the 0. Okay, 4, this stands for the rows. Okay, and this stands for the columns. Okay, so what we have the array like 0 0 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1 1, and similarly like 4 0 and 4 1. Okay, so in here we will store the ID and here we will store the name. Okay, how? Let's see it from a script. So we have a script like this. Here we define the multi-dimensional array. This is a two-dimensional array. Similarly, you can define 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so we have defined like this. At the place 0, we have the ID, and at place 1, we have a name. Okay, so here we have the information of 5 employees. But here is one limitation. What is that? We have to define the size of the array, or if you want to create a dynamic array, you have to use like the redeem preserve. What if we'll not use any size? Okay, so that can be achieved using dictionary object in the VB scripting. What is dictionary object? Dictionary object is an object that stores a value into a key value relationship. Okay, key value. Here you can define a key, and with respect to key there must be a value. This key should be unique into a dictionary object. Okay, so a dictionary will define like this. Here it is the dictionary and it contains the key. Okay, like this. Okay, within each key there is a value. So it is similar to a two-dimensional array. The only difference between the two-dimensional array and the dictionary object is in the dictionary objects we need not to define any size. It will grow up as you define it into the array. So how to use a dictionary object? Let's see that. You have to create an object using set, let's say dict employee, and using create object method, and the library is scripting dot dictionary. Okay, now in this dictionary you can add as many as information you want. Add. Now the first thing is your, let's say, emp ID, and the second is your value, emp name. Okay, so you can add this statement to the number of times you want, and that will become the size of your dictionary. Like if you add these 4 lines, it means the size of your dictionary will become 4. So you can use a two-dimensional array in this way when you don't know the actual size of your array, and it can grow to the number of times you add the add statement to the dictionary. Okay, now to retrieve the item or the element from the dictionary, the method to use is use the dictionary object, write the item and the name of your item. Okay, let's say if I define here like this, ID is 1 and name is, let's say, test. Okay, similarly we have a dictionary like this having 1, 2, 3, 4 key. Now if I want to retrieve this test value, I can use trick emp dot item, and in this if I pass the 1, now it will give me the value as test. Similarly, if I pass 2, it will give me the value as demo. Okay, so you can use the dictionary object instead of the two-dimensional array. That's all about the multidimensional array in the VB scripting.